Hey guys, welcome back to What Would Daria Wear, where style meets comfort. Today's video is all about me sharing my push gifts. And when I say push gifts, girl, I mean me pushing through this year. Because 2024, would I say it's one for the books? It's in some book. It's in a book, okay? It was good. Like, I won't say it was a bad year, but when I tell you, I have been pushing to heal in different aspects of my life and to grow and stretch. And when I tell you, it does not come with a lot of hard work. So guess what? My Christmas / push gifts, very excited about them. So let's get right into it. The first push gift that I bought for myself, I just so happened to get an email / I saw an ad for Brandon Blackwood, and I was like, oh my God, I didn't even know they were coming out with these bags. I'm pretty, tapped into Brandon Blackwood's offerings and what's coming down the pipeline. So I was like, OMG. So I threw this in my broadcast channel. It is the Brandon Blackwood puffer bag. It comes in olive, brown, and black. Now, I was going back and forth between all three colors, honestly. Black, super safe, it works. Classic, goes with everything. The olive, very classy, very demure. It was like, that would make sense for my wardrobe to get the olive. I was just, something about it wasn't like, oh my God, you gotta get the olive green. So I threw it into my broadcast channel and I was like, which one do you guys really like? And everybody was saying brown, which I was very surprised by. But the brown kind of hits. And this year, brown has been my favorite on me. And I'm not even a brown girly whatsoever. I don't really like, or previously, I did not like wearing it as like clothing pieces that were brown. I just, not my thing. Bags, absolutely. So I bought myself the puffer bag. So excited. So of course, Brandon Blackwood's items come in their dust bag, which is great. Love having a dust bag for my bags, okay? Because I need somewhere to, or I need it to be stored in something that will keep it all together. But when I tell you this thing is massive, it's massive, baby. OMG. Look at her. So good and huge, okay? So obviously for me, this is gonna be perfect for travel, little weekend stays, stuff like that. And no, it does not replace my Coach Empire Carry-All 48. It doesn't, but it's right there with it, okay? So first things first, it has this magnetic closure. Actually, it has a magnetic closure on this side, and in the middle. So that's good. So it's not like anybody could really put their hands in their bag, but by the time they ever did that, you would feel somebody tugging on you, you know what I mean? So anyhow, it's huge. Like, so big. So it has this faux leather inside. It has 2 pockets here and then a pocket in the back, like a large pocket in the back. It doesn't, I like how it doesn't have much structure to it. That means that I can put a lot of my things in here. And of course, like I've said in my previous video for my Coach Empire, I like bags that I can throw all the things that I need without it, having me not be able to fit what I want. You know what I'm saying? I want to be able to put a purse. I want to be able to put my toiletry bag if I want, my AirPod Max. I want to be able to fit all the things that I want. Yes, the bag will get heavy, but it's still so stinking cute. So I'm so happy that I went with the brown because it's like this nice sheen to it. It's just so good. So I think what I'm going to have to do in order to jazz it up a bit is maybe put little chains or something like that on there. But it's so cute. I got mine. It sold out on the Brandon Blackwood site, but I was able to get it on Amazon. He linked it for his Amazon store on Amazon, and guess what, girl? Got it in 2 days. Not mad. It was $300. That's the retail price of it. You can get it on Prime, 2-day shipping. And they have all 3 colors available. So yeah, love it. I absolutely love it. Sis, look at how nice. Love that. Super chic, super chill, but still very good and for the girlies, okay? So yes, that is my first push gift for 2024 for pushing through the year. All right, so the second item that I purchased as my push gift for 2024 is the Louis Vuitton Monogram Bum Bag. Now, this bag was actually discontinued a few years ago, which sad, very, very sad, because I would prefer to buy my bags new sometimes depending on what it is, okay? But I was like totally fine because I have found really nice Louis Vuitton vintage bags and things like that on eBay before, and so I was open to it. So once they discontinued it, I'm like, okay, wow, now they have a whole new Monogram Bum Bag that I don't really care for the style of it. They switched the whole design up and it's not my favorite. Still super cute though, but not for my wardrobe. So I had been eyeing it and watching it on Fashion File a little bit. I'm huge on eBay. Like, I love watching sellers on eBay, seeing what, you know, the pricing looks like for certain things and what things are going for. And so I finally found a seller that had a bag that was, like, honestly, the condition should have said brand new, and it probably did. I think it did say brand new. She got it in 2022. She probably wore it like maybe once or twice, but baby, when you see her, like, look at the tag. Like, sis didn't, there's no staining at all. Like, sis did not wear this bag. The only way that I could tell that she actually used it is because on the inner part of the strap, there is some signs of wear, like very little, like not a lot at all, but this is in pristine condition. So what I did is I found a seller that did the authenticity guarantee through eBay, which is great. If you are not familiar with it, it's a program that they have where people can sell things and then it's shipped to the depot in Vegas and they authenticate it. And then after that, they send it to you once you've purchased it, and it has like a card that says this has been authenticated, all the things, so that you can be confident that you got something that's not fake. I think that's important because people be selling fakes, you know? Like, it sucks that that's a thing, but it is. But when I tell you, sis took such good care of this bag, and she was so adamant, like, you know, I want you to know for a fact, like, this is a really good bag. I didn't use it much. And yeah, for it to have been from 2022, I could tell, like, she probably bought this and was like, I don't need it. But for me, I'm very excited about the quality of it. And the fact that it's still basically new is like my favorite thing. There are no signs of wear, honestly. And I really wanted a nice bum, like a bigger bum bag than what I have in my denim vintage one that I have, my Louis Vuitton vintage bag. And then I also bought like this little organizer from off of Amazon to help me keep the baby organized. So yeah, super, super cute. I paid $27 for this one. Now, I'm not even sure what the bag retail for, like, I don't know, and at this point I don't really care, because I was like, if it's in really good shape, I'll pay the money for it and I'll get my money's worth, you know what I'm saying? Because like, for some reason, like, these bags I'm gonna wear way more often anyways, because I carry stuff for a long time and then I'll do a little switch and then I'll go back to, you know, like, these are basic closet staple bags that just go with anything you throw it on. It's your everyday bag. So I'm excited about it, and it got here really within 5 days, which is great. And yeah, I'm very excited about this purchase, my second push gift for 2024. But yeah, make sure you check eBay, sis. I think I've said it in previous videos. eBay is the way, especially when they have the authenticity guarantee like emblem on the top. But definitely always check the reviews. Like, if you're looking at bags and you see stuff that you like, make sure you check in to see, like, the first thing I do, you know, of course they're gonna show the, you know, the reviews that are really good at the top, but those negative reviews, check those because people be talking, you know? So I'm actually looking to buy another camera. It's the Canon G7X Mark II, I think, because right now that's been out of stock for a year plus. I'm wanting to get that, and there's some sellers on eBay that I've been watching to figure out if I'm gonna actually spend the money for it. And the first thing I did, go to the negative reviews. If they are bad and people are like, oh, they sent me something fake, then, you know, leave that alone. But if you see a massive amount of good reviews, then you should be in the clear. So yes, those are my 2 push gifts, and I highly recommend if you are someone who works your butt off, okay, throughout the year, you're doing things that you don't want to do, but you're doing them because you know it'll help stretch you and get you to where you need to go, get yourself a push gift or 2. All right, so make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss another video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.